In this chapter, we're going to look at the Contact Edit screen. This is the control center for each of your contacts, the heartbeat of your system. On this screen alone, there are communication tools, custom input fields, tasks, and other insanely valuable features you don't want to miss out on. So let's go! We'll start with the Contact Edit screen's basic fields that include basic contact information, much of which has been automatically filled in when you sync contacts over from your phone or when they are originally input. What's really cool is that if you have a city listed, a cloud icon will appear in the top right corner. Click on it, and it will give you the current weather conditions in this contact's location. So at the very least, you can talk about the weather as an icebreaker. You can categorize or classify your contacts, enter their birth dates, and your system will notify you when it's their day to celebrate. Also, give each a status and set a task with a due date. Don't worry, the system will tell you when it's time. Let's talk about this a little more. The Status and Task section is where you can follow the progress of your prospect. Your leaders have determined the optimum progression as well as the proper steps to take to close the deal. It spells out the way that your company does business and ensures that you can handle every required task correctly and in a timely manner. Now let's talk about the system's communication features. You have several ways to communicate with your client, but how would you know the best way to get in touch with a particular person? You just look at the preferred method of contact field. When entering a new contact, make sure you use this field to help remind you of how that contact likes to communicate. Just ask them. They will let you know how they would like you to get a hold of them. Okay, so the communication tools are represented and accessed by these little icons you see here. You can email directly from here, set up a calendar event or meeting, use the inviter tool, or text. Click any of these and you're on your way. Just a quick note, if there is not an email address or phone number, the icons will not appear. So don't freak out, just add the info and they will show up for you. But here's the powerful tool that gets us going. It's the trifecta feature. The trifecta allows you to make a call, send a text, and an email, all in a matter of seconds. Just choose the reason you are calling from the drop-down, and your script for leaving a voicemail or having a conversation will pop up. Then click the phone icon to cue the call to your phone app. Use the Notes field to create a record of important information you obtained during the call. And depending on how the call goes, you can decide if you want to send the chosen email or text or both. Once you click Save Voicemail or Save Conversation, as appropriate, the action and any notes are logged into your communication history and the email and/or text is sent. Now, some systems may have a lag and level management field. Check out the tutorial to learn how to use it if you do. The metropolitan area is a field that allows you to search all of your system for those people in a certain area. You can share any contacts file with up to 3 other people on the system. Just put their user ID here, and the file will be available to the person that you shared it with under the Contacts tab, Manage Assigned Contacts. You still have the file and the person can view, edit, and work the file as well. Assigning the contact to someone works the same way. However, when you do that, you are no longer the owner of the file and you no longer have access to it. Additional resources can be found when you click Additional Info at the bottom of the Contact Edit screen. You can upload up to 3 documents, like signed contracts or completed order forms. You can review any images or audio recordings you captured via your mobile app. You can review your communication history with this person, and you can review and add notes. Okay, I know that was a lot of information, but this is a feature-rich area, and if you take full advantage, you'll be even closer to success in a lot less time.